Hello, I'm Ray, and this is my 2020 Toyota Supra. A little bit of rock chips here, but it's a little bit of a show. It was a show car at first. Now I'm gonna make it a track car. I put some TEs on there, nice meaty tires, 275s all around, squared setup. I love my Titan exhaust. The APR wing makes a big difference in the corners, high-speed corners, and then this hood is just phenomenal. I love it. But yeah, nothing much, just a custom E50 tune, down pipes, intake, some bolt-ons, stock turbo. She's a little bit messy. I took her up to Montreal last weekend. Nice road trip car. Get a little sound clip. Yeah, these tires don't have TPMS sensors, so that light will stay on. Oh, look like it's about to start raining, so making some good timing. Not all too familiar with these roads, but I'll give it a go. Been here a few times, so usually come at the night. So I drive it, taking on road trips, go to Buffalo here and there. Went to Philly a few weeks ago, went to Montreal last weekend. Don't really have anything else planned for the rest of this year for this car. So much. Modding this car is so much fun because of the aftermarket support. Everyone loves the Supra name, and it's just the legendary JDM name. A lot of people hated the fact that it's co-developed by BMW, but to be honest, I think it's a good thing. We were able to get a car for not an arm and a leg. I paid 52 grand, 52.5 for this. I got 0% APR financing because of the incentives at the time, so it was a pretty good purchase. Because I was looking at the M2 comp, but they were crazily marked up at the time, so I'm glad I stuck with this. And yes, ended up buying it. I did a lot of mods to it, so probably have like a good 15 grand into the car. But other than that, it's just maintenance. Got to keep up with maintenance, new tires. I run Toyos on my track set. These are Apex V601s. They came with the TEs I just got recently, so I like them so far, but I would like to get a set of A052s from Yokohama next. Overall, though, this car is just a fun little joy. Handles great. It does suck not having a manual, but the new ones have manuals. It's just that this year didn't have it. So I had no option but to get the automatic, and I'm done so much of this car I wouldn't even consider upgrading at this point. Gotta be easy going on the power coming out since I'm not at the right ethanol level. Don't want to blow my fuel pump. That's my fault though. overall, this car is just great. I was cross-shopping it between a bunch of different cars. I was honestly looking at a Raptor, everything from a Raptor to a Supra, and in between. M2 Comp was the car I was looking at the most besides this car. They had a manual one in stock, but the week before I went to go look at it again, it got sold, so my decision was basically made at that point. The rain was supposed to hold off until 11, but looks like it's coming down a little bit earlier, which is not ideal, but Mother Nature will be Mother Nature. Definitely got to do a brake pad upgrade. These and also my brake pad's a little bit worn from all the road tripping I've been doing. Gotta look at my book to see when I did them last. Don't know off the top of my head, but it's been some time. Open her up a little bit. A turn, and there goes my tire plug kit. Looks like someone had some fun here doing donuts, but we're back at the meetup spot, so yeah.